Welcome back. More or less flattish day is what we're seeing on the index. In the last few minutes, though, we have seen the Nifty Bank move into the red and SBI has moved to the low point of the day. And now if you look at SBI's price, I think it's even lower than what we saw, in terms of the day it came out with its result reaction. So it's moved to the low point of the day, down closer around 1.5%. But it's a good time to tell you what's going on in dealing rooms. And let's get straight to D Street chatter. Nimesh joins. And Nimesh, what are you picking up this time around? Flows continue to be solid?
Flows are continuing to be solid, but they are quite muted today. That shows up in the overall markets as well. It's been a bit of consolidation, not much in terms of news flow as well. Even the flows are quite muted. The two sectors which stands out today clearly, Nigel, is cement and metals, and there are reasons for it. Cement, largely because most of the street do believe that the worst in terms of numbers is priced in now, and from here on you're going to see some bit of improvements as well. So that's why some bit of the cement space is well bid by the large institutions. I guess for metal, it's more of a China opening up play, and hence you're seeing a bit of move in the metal names as well. So these two sectors stand out. The other big thing is the mid-cap and small-cap for the last few days are relatively underperforming. So the breadth has become narrower and narrower, and what you're seeing is leadership only in few sectors and few stocks. So that's going to be the trend, I believe, towards the all-time high. So that's something which the dealers are talking about. But as I said, a day of consolidation, but the flows are quite muted. So not much participation coming in, both from the FIs as well as the DIs today.
But Nimesh will definitely be picking up plenty on individual stocks. So run through that list, 3-4 stocks that you have for us.
So, as you rightly said, there is a lot of action in the individual names. So the first stock is MedPlus. The entire, diagnostic stock hospital basket is doing good today, and MedPlus stands out on the back of some bit of action back in the HNI desk, and that's where the stock is up 10%. Interestingly, there was a Credit Suisse update as well today on the stock, and I've seen a big move in that stock. So that's the first one, MedPlus, on good, strong HNI flows. The second stock is NHPC. That stock is relatively under pressure today. The flows are mixed is what I understand, but I guess post quarter two, you're seeing some bit of profit booking in NHPC in today's trade. So that's the second one. The third stock is PB Fintech. That's been the big theme, the platform companies and the lockup shares opening up. So again, in today's trade, there was a large block deal, nearly 2% equity has changed hands. And I believe one of the leading long-only fund, and FI was a seller in today's block. So that supply pressure continues in PB Fintech. And the last stock is Paytm. Remember, the lock-in opens today, so there is a buzz of a very large block deal coming in Paytm very soon, and it's going to be at a deep discount as well. So that's the reason why Paytm should be in focus since the lock-up is opening, is getting over today. So maybe tomorrow or day after, we're going to see a large block in Paytm as well.